you want to know how to transfer a Facebook page from one business manager to another, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I give you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a Facebook business page from one business manager account kind of thing to another, okay? I showed you in another video how to create a Facebook business page in Business Manager. And in that video, I had a question from one of my viewers who said, but what do I do if my Facebook page is linked to one business manager and I want to put it into another one? And I found out how to do this and I said I'll make a video about it. So I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how it's done. It's not very complicated once you know how. Just before I do that, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed? Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. That way you won't miss a video every time I upload one. I always try to make very helpful content, especially for those who are building businesses online. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here's what you need to do. You need to go to Business Facebook. It's kind of changed. Okay, so as far as I can tell, what you need to do is you go here and you click more tools and then you go to business settings. So once I'm here, as you can see, I have a few business manager accounts. Okay, so if I click here, as you can see here, I have two pages that are in this business manager linked to one ad account. I think it's probably this one, I reckon, but I'm not sure. But anyway, the fact is that's kind of irrelevant, okay? Let's say if I've understood your question properly, let's say you want these pages not to be linked to this business manager account, but you want to link it to another ad account. Okay, so let's just say, as you see this account, I have 5 ad accounts here and I have no pages at all. So what you need to do to change, let's say I'm going to put happiness and fulfillment, I'm going to link it to this business manager, to one of the accounts in this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to tap this, click this. Now, as you can see, so you tap on this, right, on the name of the person who's managing the accounts. And then, as you can see, I have no pages here. Okay, so what you need to do is you tap here, pages, and it tells me SB Ads Business 2 doesn't have any pages yet. Now you click here, add, and you select this, add a page. Your business already owns this page. Okay, so you click here, and now I'm going to type in the name of the page. So here the page I want to is this one. Okay, so I click here, add page. That is going to move my page, okay, from where it was. There you go. It was approved automatically because I'm an admin of the page. Okay, so as you can see now, if I go here and I click here,
Okay, here I only have this one page now. Whereas, and if I select my other business manager account and I click on here, there you go. I have happiness and fulfillment linked to this account. Okay. In your question, you said it was written pending request. Now, it is possible that happens if you are not an admin of the page. That is possible. You need to set yourself up as the admin of the page. Let me know if you don't know how to do that. But I hope that this is helpful. This is how you move a page from one business manager to another business manager, okay? As long as you are an admin of all these, of the page, of the business manager, then you can do that. I hope this helps.
So, I hope you found this easy and straightforward and clear, and I hope it was helpful. Now, Facebook is really in the middle, at the time that I'm shooting this video, which is November 2020, Facebook is really in the process of rolling out a whole lot of changes on, the Facebook personal side and also on the business side of things. So it can be quite confusing and, and a bit annoying, to be honest. But anyway, we are going to get used to it. So if you have any questions about, anything that you don't know how to do, just like my viewer asked me, just really, really don't hesitate to, ask me in the comments, tell me, I'm stuck with this, I don't know how to do this. And, either I'll type the answer because it's pretty straightforward, or I'll make a video for you. I'll find out, I don't know everything, but I'm pretty good at finding things out. So don't hesitate. Also, make sure you check my Facebook playlist. I do have a lot of content on Facebook, but it's always evolving, it's always changing. So as I say, if you don't find the answer in the playlist, just drop me a comment below. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel as well, hit the notification bell. That way you get a little notification when I upload a new video. Generally, I upload 2 videos a week. I try to make helpful content for those who are building businesses online. If you are in this situation, you want to make a full-time income online, you want to learn how to do that, build a proper business online, learn how to do it the right way, I have some free training in the description of this video. Don't hesitate to just click on the link and get it. And, you can get in touch with me as well if you want to work with me one-on-one. There are ways that we can do that. So don't hesitate to do that. Anyway, I will stop talking. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in another video. Bye for now.